We want to solve the inequality and express the solution using interval notation. We have 5/4 x minus 6/7 is less than 2. Recall, when solving a linear inequality in one variable, if we multiply or divide both sides by a negative, we reverse the inequality symbol. Otherwise, we solve the inequality just like we solve an equation. The first step is to isolate 5/4 x by adding 6/7 to both sides of the inequality. Simplifying, we have 5/4 x is less than 2 plus 6/7. Let's show this sum on the side. Let's write 2 as 2 divided by 1, and then plus 6/7. The least common denominator is 7, which indicates we multiply 2 by 7/7. We have a common denominator of 7, and the numerator is 14 plus 6, which is 20. We now have 5/4 x is less than 20/7. And now we might be thinking we should divide both sides by 5/4, which is correct, but instead of dividing by 5/4, we will multiply by the reciprocal of 4/5. Simplifying on the left, 4/5 times 5/4 is equal to 1. 1 times x is x. We have x is less than 20/7 times 4/5. Let's simplify before multiplying. Notice 5 and 20 share a common factor of 5. There's 1 5 and 5 and 4 5s and 20. Multiplying, we have 16/7. The solution expressed as an inequality is x is less than 16/7. But we do want the solution using interval notation. Before we do this though, let's graph the solution on the number line. Let's just say 0 is here and 16/7 is here. Because we have x is less than 16/7, 16/7 is not part of the solution. This indicates we make an open point on 16/7 and sketch an arrow to the left. Notice as we move to the left, we approach negative infinity. So this is the graph for x less than 16/7. And now we can express the same interval using interval notation, which is the open interval from negative infinity to 16/7. Notice we have a parenthesis to the right of 16/7. This indicates the interval is open on 16/7 or does not include 16/7. If it did, we'd use a square bracket, not a parenthesis. So again, now we have the solution as an inequality, as a graph, and also using interval notation, which is what the directions are asking for. I hope you found this helpful.